and then he runs around. Oh. Like you get comments like this. I made Tristram and Bracken frame of mind with the new music tiles. Oh, I think I do know this song. Yeah, I've heard this song before. That's crazy. How do people get it so accurate? That's what I want to know. I've heard this song before. Oh, wait, that guy. Wait, hang on a sec. Let me go back on that. This man's used piano keys. He's used piano. That's crazy. That's clever as well. Nice. Sway Lee, Post Malone, Sunflower. Okay, let's listen to this. Oh my. That's insane. Even the drum pattern as well. Like the drum pattern is spot on. It's even got the end sort of like hook. Bro, that's a real good one as well. Yo, shout out to everyone who's creating these on Reddit. Like, you guys need to go and check their posts out. Yo, this is one of those meme songs. A Fortnite cover by Campsy. Yo, dude, that is actually fire. Bro, that's the best one. That's got to be the best one. It's even got a curve in it. This guy made a curve. You already know he's got to use the marshmallow skin on this one. No, this one's so good. Background, the curve. Oh, that is so good. Oh, this is the best one I've heard. Alright, so that brings us to the end of the video. If you guys did enjoy, then just drop a like for me, okay? Yeah, cheers. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't really know how to outro a video, so yeah.
Alrighty, Boomer, we are back with another wager match. You ready to lose your V-Bucks, boy?
Oh, brother, I am so ready to get paid back.
Oh, that's the thing as well. For the last bingo we did as a wager match, Boomer actually won, but he didn't realize he won. So, that was your fault. Probably you didn't count it right or something. You hate to see it, but you love to see it. So yeah, the way this is going to work, I think we've already gone over it, but essentially there's 10 levels total of this dropper map, and you get a point for getting to the bottom first. Are you ready for this? Alright, I'm just trying to think. So you ready to start? You ready to start? Time start now.
Yep.
You can scope it out a little bit, but I'm just going straight for it. I'm a pro at this. I want that point. Okay, well that's not happening. The problem is though, there's going to be a lot of resets, but that's fine. That's just the way dropper works. I could have had that. This is the first one. It actually looks pretty easy too.
I've actually never done a dropper like this, so I'm a little nervous.
See, I got like kind of cheats on you. I kind of hustled you a little bit because like obviously I did like the Minecraft dropper back in the day. I sucked at that.
Yeah, you got experience.
Okay, 4. All right, here we go. What? Okay, what am I doing wrong here? They're all the same. I think they're all the same, right?
Yeah, it looks the same to me. I've only made it to the second part.
Like, do you run? Oh, I got so close. All right, no, I've got this down. No, your V-Bucks are gone. Well, we're in for a long video.
Ooh. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we sure are.
Oh, no, we're not, Boomer. No, I missed the bounce pad. Are you kidding me? Oh my God.
Wait, how did you make it through?
I don't know how I made it through, but I made it through. And that's all I know. You have to like cut that corner so tight, and then you just, I don't know how it works. I think you move faster through the air sideways, I think. So you'll probably come to notice that there's a lot of editing required in these videos. Why did you slam your pickaxe? You mad, bro?
I think you're right, dude. It's all about cutting that corner as this sharp. You know what's so terrifying?
Oh my god, you know what's terrifying? Dubs. Dubs. Dubs are terrifying, and that's exactly what just happened.
Look where I just got eliminated. Right above you.
Oh, you love to see it. You do love to see it. That's going to be point number 1 for Lachlan. Oh, there's a coin there, but I don't want a coin. I'll get the coin. Catch the ball, Boomer. Oh, there it is. All right, round number 2. Oh, this one's got cars and stuff. All right, you ready? First luck. Oh, dude, imagine I get a first go. You're so mad. Oh, that's kind of easy. That's kind of easy, Boomer. That's kind of really easy. That last one was actually hard. This one's easy as. You're done for. You're toast. What's going on here? Nothing but... Oh, okay. No. The crates are actually kind of hard. The crates are actually kind of hard. Like that, and then that, and then that, and then that, and then... Oh, that's the way. That's the way, Chief. You have to go through the middle, I'm pretty sure. You might be able to cheese it, but you got to go through the middle. You got to go through that green crate. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I see it.
Oh, I got caught on the second half of it. Oh, Boomer, you better pick up your game, or Buck is coming my way. Here we go. Oh! Boomer, that's gonna be a 2-0. That's gonna be a 2-0. This is just the series where I take your V-Bucks, dude.
I don't like it.
Are you not having fun?
I'm having so much fun right now.
Boomer would be like, yo, I really want to try this dropper map, dude.
The dropper map looked colorful. All right, it looked fun. Don't fall for it. Don't fall for all the fun colors and stuff, because it's a lie.
Oh, he did it! Oh, you didn't catch the ball though, Boomer, so you actually lost.
You didn't throw the ball.
No, I've been throwing that ball for the last 2 minutes. Don't you even try. All right, well, 2-0. Boomer's got to come back in a big way. Honestly, where's the map with all the rainbows? That's what I want to know.
Ooh, I think we might be on NDR.
Oh, are we? Oh, hell yeah. Dude, this looks so... Wait, where's that? Okay, this one looks hard. This one doesn't even look fake hard. This one looks real hard. Oh, this one's easy as hell. I think I'll get it next game. I'm not even kidding. This is easy. I feel like this is robbery, though. Oh, he's found it. How easy is that? How easy is it?
I haven't decided.
Oh, it's so easy, Boomer. It's so easy. It's the easiest one yet, by far. By far the easiest one. Yeah, and you're about to be 3-0 soon. Oh, oh, that's dangerous to let me go. I might just finish it. I might just finish it. Oh, Boomer.
I hit a cloud.
Catch the ball, Boomer. There you go.
All right, there we go.
Catch the ball. We're never gonna get it down.
I'm standing right in front of you.
You're gonna need to adapt, Boomer, if you want to walk away without paying V-Buck. What is she saying? Number 4.
She's saying that it looks incredibly difficult at the bottom.
Oh, this looks hard. Alright. You know what? Always go straight to the middle. Yikes, this one's a hard one. This one's super hard. So I'm just saying, I used to do Minecraft dropping with a bunch of ping and I never used to have problems. But
Go on that thing, hero. There it is. Finally, the Boom Boy has point number 1.
are you kidding me? You actually did it.
Get out of my face.
Oh, he's actually come in.
Yeah.
Wow.
I needed that. I needed that bad.
You needed that really bad. How do you do this map? Actually, I think I got it.
There's a little parkour course down there.
Alrighty, there we go. Yeah, that one wasn't too hard at all.
Don't underplay it too much.
Yay, we actually got it! We actually